In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a really simple method of threading up your needle. Once you've mastered this method, you should be able to thread up any size needle using any sort of soft thread. So to thread your needle, cut your thread to your desired length. Pick up your needle and hold it by the sharp end with the eye pointing to the left. Using your other hand, wrap the end of your thread around the eye of the needle. Pinch it tight and pull it off. Then use your fingers to push the thread through the eye of the needle. By using this technique, you will avoid fraying the ends of your thread. It may take a few practices to master this technique, but once you have, you will find threading your needle a lot simpler.